Hey beauty lovers, hey lovers of BJ with TV, you are welcome to another exciting episode of Trending Black Women Hairstyles. Hope you're all doing good and happy brand new week to each and every one of us. Today's video is fascinating and captivating, and it's all about short natural hairstyles for black women. Are beautiful black American women looking for the best natural hairstyles for black women. In this video we showcase stunning, stylish and easy to maintain short hair styles perfect for natural hair, from teeny weeny afros, finger coils, Swiss out fades and curly cuts to creative protective styles. These looks are trending, versatile and perfect for any occasion. Whether you are embracing your natural coils, trying a bold new cut, or simply need hairstyle inspiration, these short natural styles will keep you looking chic and confident all day. All props and credits in this video goes to our creative hairstylist who put all these styles together and availed us of the opportunity to showcase these styles to the rest of the world. Kudos to them and well done to them. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to BJ's Hairwaves TV for more trending natural hair and brand styles. My name is BJ, the content director here at BJ's Hairwaves TV, and I'll see you in my next video.